There are two ways to add new photos to Aspect. One is by importing the photos, which means they will be moved or copied into the Aspect Library folder into the folder structure specified during library creation. The other option for adding new photos to the library is through a scanned folder approach. This method adds the photos to the library without moving or copying them from their original location. Besides using the menu bar, you can also use the file browser at the bottom of the window. For this example, we select an SD card and then click on Add to Library. In the Import pane, you can choose which images you want to import or simply import all of them at once. There is also an option to enable auto import, meaning that every time the same card is inserted, photos will be automatically imported with the same import settings. Additionally, you can specify whether you want to keep the photos on the SD card, as well as decide whether photos that are already part of the library should be imported again. This should usually be left off. When you now click Import All photos from the SD card will be imported. You can see the current progress in the Notification Center. After the first stage of the import has finished, the Recent Imports page will open automatically, allowing you to review your recently imported photos. The actual copying of the photos now happens in the background, allowing you to start organizing right away. You could now create an event from this import to keep the photos together, or you can leave them in the photo stream. Now for the second approach, if you already have a photo folder with an existing structure that you want to keep, you can tell Aspect to continuously monitor its contents and treat the contained files as part of the library. We call this feature Scanned Folder. Once the folder is added, you can see at the bottom how the contained photos are being detected and added to the library catalog. All of these photos will then appear in the photo stream. In case you want to create events from existing subfolders, there is an extra tool for that purpose. Click on the event creation icon and choose Select Folders as Events. In this pane, you can view all subfolders of the scanned folder. With a simple click, you can mark a folder as an event, and it will appear in the sidebar. Note the little arrow on the new event, which indicates that the event is stored outside of the library folder. Clicking the arrow allows you to move the event into the library folder to benefit from Aspect's automatic folder organization. With these two approaches, you have the freedom to integrate new photos very efficiently and to decide if and when you want to let Aspect manage where they are stored on your computer. Check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials.